So you will catch a break, and I did catch a break. Last year, I did a play called Fences on Broadway.
Alrighty. Good morning, everyone. Can you guys hear me loud and clear? Yes, I see a thumbs up. Amazing. I hope you're all doing great. Good. Let me first make sure that everything is set and ready. There we go. Alrighty. Good. Let's check the price traps from yesterday first before we go further to find new price traps for today. The first one is AUD/JPY. Like you can see, we never had a breakout. The very first rule with the price trap strategy, of course, is that we have a breakout to the upside or the downside. Doesn't matter which way we break. The breakout will show us the direction. So if we have a breakout to the downside, we will be looking for sells. If we have the breakout to the upside, we will be looking for buys. Then we have GA. For GA, we had some news on the AUD pairs this night. I also told you about this yesterday. So at 3:30, we had the unemployment change and or employment change and unemployment rate at 3:30 in the night on the AUD pairs, and that's what we have seen on the AUD pairs. Okay, so we have the breakout here. Now market is back for the retest. Now, for me, this is a proper breakout. We will have to look like, okay, what is the market going to do with the zone that we are seeing right over here? Okay, if you would look at the FIP levels, I think we are around 61 level here for GA, which is already a good one. All right, we already hit the 72. Okay, so for me, this is a good one. Let's see how far we will get with this one. After creating higher high, we are now looking to get the market a higher low and to continue that upward movement. Okay, so let me put a blue flag on that one. There we go. For GJ, we didn't break out. This is exactly the same like AUD/JPY. Canadian JPY, exactly the same thing. Still no breakout, waiting for that breakout. Doesn't matter which way we break out, of course. We simply want to see a breakout retest of our zones. Okay, here for silver, we did get back to the lows, and now we are retesting this supply zone. It's perfectly possible we will be starting to react from this point on. And of course, it's 100% your own decision how you want to react on these kind of price traps. If you want to wait for price action, if you're just reacting on FIP levels, these are all, of course, your own decisions. All right, here we already have 88 level taken out. Pretty sure about that. Yes, of course. So let's see how far we can get with silver. Okay, if we then take a look for gold, this is exactly the same thing. Market broke out, came back, reacted pretty good on this demand zone here, but because of this breakout of the support zone, we are really creating some structure to see the market going down more. Okay, now if I take a look at gold, I want to see the market getting a little higher into my zone to create a deeper retest. So these are like the three levels I would be very interested in when it comes down to gold and the sell idea that this price trap is showing us. Okay, good. So far, so good. So these ones I already showed you. Okay, then we have USD Canadian. USD Canadian, yeah, we had this retest. So first of all, of course, you had the breakout, then the retest here. We already reacted here. I think the market took off for like, I'm not sure how many pips, around 17 pips. Then we got a retracement with a drawdown of around 10 pips. And now we are, yeah, slowly getting back lower. Okay, for me personally, I was looking to get the market a little higher into these zones. I would be looking at some FIP levels here. So like the 72, 78 area is a very nice area to look at when it comes down to this price trap, just to have the proper retest here. Now, it's perfectly possible, of course, that we will take off from this point on and that we don't get higher into this price trap. If this is the case, we can pretty simple just put a new support zone on USD Canadian and see if we can follow up this downtrending movement and wait for the next breakout retest to the downside. Okay. Nope. I need this one. There we go. Alrighty. So let me put an alert on the support zone. So if the market just takes off, we know that with this alert, break supports. There we go. Okay. So that's for the USD Canadian. I am going to put an alert on this high here. So if the market gets back, I know that I need to pay attention to USD Canadian. Good. Then we have Euro JPY. Euro JPY, yeah, pretty much the same like we are seeing with USD Canadian. We did get the breakout here. We have a very fast retest also that the market has created. It isn't that convincing. Market took off. Oh, okay, this is 60 pips, 50 pips even. But I want to see the market getting even lower into my zone. All right. So the movement I would be looking at for Euro JPY today is something like that, getting back into this last sell candle here on the 1 hour time frame. If you go lower in time frame, you will see that there's a lot of imbalance going on also. So yeah, I want to see Euro JPY getting deeper into my zone to get a proper retest out of this. Okay, now of course, same thing like we have seen with USD Canadian, we created a new resistance zone. So if the market doesn't get deeper into our zone for our retest, we can still just look at this resistance zone for the breakout retest. Pretty simple, right? Simply following up the structure. Once the market breaks highs, we will be searching for higher lows. If the market breaks lows, we will be searching for lower highs. Okay, pretty simple. There we go. Let me put an alert also here. So if we get deeper into the zone for the retest, I get my alerts. There we go. Then we have Euro AUD. Euro AUD did give us a breakout yesterday. With the breakout, it was all going good. I was waiting for a proper retest like around this area here, filling up imbalance zones, getting back into demand zones. This didn't happen. All right, we did get a wick all the way here to then start rising up again. If I take a look at price action, let me see. Now, we didn't really good react with price action also. So I was waiting for a deeper retest. This didn't happen. The market just shooted higher. And now with the news, we are back. Okay, so I want to pay attention still at the same zone. Okay, we still just created a higher high. So our target or our vision should be the higher low here for Euro AUD. So yeah, let's see if we can get lower here to create a beautiful entry and then follow up on this trending movement, because like you can see here, we have beautiful higher high and now we can look for a higher low. Of course, I know it, people are thinking it or seeing it. Of course, we do have this supply level, so it's perfectly possible that the market will just follow up on this downtrending movement and then break our retest to the downside. But that's the beauty about Pricetrap. It doesn't mean that we are looking for a breakout retest to the upside that we will only buying this thing. We can also look for the breakout retest for the downside and sell this IED. Okay, and that will be it for the price charts from yesterday. Nothing really happens. Still waiting, but that's perfectly fine. These days are also part of trading, that you need to wait till the market is ready and really getting back to the zones that we like to see. Alrighty, so good. We also had a pound GDP at 8 a.m. And of course, we also have Euro bank holidays going on today. So I expect the market to not move that fast because of this bank holiday. The only thing we need to pay attention at for today is, of course, this one here. Okay, so we have the core retail sales, the retail sales, and the unemployment claims. This could have some impacts on the market. So please always make sure to follow up your risk management plan and not, try to trade these news events. All right. Good. Let's check. Let's see what the market has done with the other pairs. If we can maybe have a new or some new price traps. If there are any pairs you're looking at for today, let me know in the chat box. I always love it to see how you guys are looking at certain pairs, at certain price traps. I will wait a little bit till I trap the next pairs for today, just to see if you guys already have some pairs, yes or no. So let me know in the chat, guys, if you're looking at certain pairs. Okay. So AD Canadian, I really don't like this one. Don't like the structure. With AUD/USD, I'm doubting a little bit. I really like this high here to follow up this uptrending move we are creating for the last couple of days / weeks. Because of this wick, I would also be focusing on this low and see where the market will get the moment we break it. But at this point, I would be interested to break out retest and then follow up that uptrending market. All right. So there we go. First one for today. UJ, AD, NZD, GU, and GCAT. Pretty much the ones I was also looking at when I went through the charts. So that's good. AD, NZD. Yeah, we do have some very easy and clear structure here. Now, the downside is a little doubtful because we do broke structure here with this massive move to the upside. So there's a very high chance we will get lower and then start moving up again. This doesn't mean that we cannot use that support. Of course we can use that, but just keep it in the back of your mind that this is a counter trend idea. So you want to pay attention and not risk too much on that one, or maybe just work with a take profit one, no take profit twos or twin trades. Because when we break through this, I don't want to see the market get back all the way to this zone, because that would be my target. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If we break out today or tomorrow and we go immediately to this zone, the chances are way too high that we will respect this and follow up that uptrending movement. Okay. That's for AUD. NZD. Let me check. Euro Canadian, ugly. Nope, don't like it. That's nothing. GU is a pretty good one. Pretty much the same like AUD NZD with this support zone. As you can see, we are in that uptrending movement. We broke a lot of structure to the upside. Let me first. There we go. We broke a lot of structure to the upside. So this is showing us that the market has a lot of strength and there's a high possibility we will follow that up. But if we go through the support, we gotta pay attention there because there's a lot of demand here. The market can perfectly react and go to the upside. Okay. So just know that, be aware of it. That's why I like to react on my price traps that are following the trends and not going against it. I know there are a few people or a lot of people using the price trap strategy only trend following. So if we get, for example, right now a break of the support from GU, they will not react on it. Okay, this is something you will have to find out for yourself, and how you find these kind of things is simply by backtesting. Okay, get into the charts, go back in time, don't go too far back, just maybe from January till now, and backtest for yourself what works the best for you. Okay, so it's perfectly possible you will only be looking at trend following ideas. Okay, here we already reacted beautifully on this demand. I do like the price trap, very clean structure. Am I trapping it the same way like you, Victor? Or do you have another vision on these pairs? If you're looking at other zones, let me know. Same, I thought so. Should be. There we go. That's GCAT. GN, yeah. I do like the structure. We do also have a lot of room here. So if we break the support zone, this demand zone is like 140 pips away. So if the market breaks and not breaking and going down to take out the demand all the way on the lows, but just giving us that small break. Then we can ride this one 140 pips until the last demand zone. So that's interesting. There we go. And then we have GM. For the support. There we go. As the Canadian is ugly. Nope, don't like it. Nope, nope, nope. Yeah, UJ, you can trap it. This is a massive consolidation zone. So we have this high and this low. This is like the zone where the market is stuck in between. And that will be the last one, I think. If you have other pairs you're looking at, let me know. But I think that will be it. I almost trapped every single pair, so a lot of price traps today. There we go. All right, let me go through one more time. So we have 80 JPY waiting for the breakout, 80 USD waiting for the breakout, 80 NZD waiting for the breakout. So Euro AUD just waiting for the market to get a little deeper retest here. Same thing for Euro JPY. Want to see the market getting into this demand level, so a deeper retest. For GU, we are waiting for the breakout. GA, yeah, it's perfectly possible the market will just take off from this point. Otherwise, if we go a little deeper, you can still find yourself some entries, but this one, in my opinion, is gone. Then we have GCAT, GJ, GN, all waiting for the breakout. USD Canadian, yeah, waiting for that higher retest here. I'm not sure if we will get it, but then we have, of course, a support zone to wait for the breakout retest to the downside. Then we have UJ waiting for the breakout, Canadian JPY waiting for the breakout. Here, silver. Let's see if we can respect this high, yes or no. If we break through it, of course, you know the drill. We can simply watch for a breakout retest to the upside. And then we have gold, all right? Also 3 zones where I'm very interested in to see if the market will react on this and move lower. That will be determined today, I think, during the news, all right? Good. Let's check what the crypto has done the last couple of days / hours. All right, we are respecting beautifully the first zone and we are going down again. Okay, so what I would be focusing on right now, there are like 2 zones. First, we have this one, but we already reacted on the previous retracement. We already reacted on this one. And the second one is this one here. All right, so let's see if the market will respect these 2 zones or one of these 2 zones and then move higher again, because then we are creating that uptrending structure here. But I don't think we will respect this. I think we will just break through that and create that downtrending structure again. All right, like you can see, if you're a price trap trader, we had some opportunities here because market breaks supports, comes back for retest, goes down. All right, gives us a higher retest, goes down again. Alrighty, so price trap basically works on every single pair, every single market, because of the market structure. Okay, the market structure is the basics in the market. This is always respecting. So you want to get good at that specific thing. All right. So for Ethereum, same thing. We didn't get back to the lows yet. So this is something I want to see happening. So the market getting back, giving that retest in these lows. But of course, we can go lower from this point on and catch some lower demand levels. Okay, good. That's the vision. These are the different price traps. I'm going to leave it with this for today. Of course, I'm going to share all the different pairs on my Telegram channel. And I'm going to share the recording into my YouTube channel. All right. So I want to wish you all a beautiful day. For the Telegram channel, we see each other back next week, of course, Tuesday at 8:30. And for the community here, the Discord community, we see each other back tomorrow morning, of course. Okay, so thank you all for being here. I wish you the best, and we see each other back tomorrow or Tuesday. All right, ciao, ciao.